Hi, I'm going to show you how to do the note name practice in case you need some help. So first off, you're going to click on this link and it's going to open up another box. You're going to click Start Challenge. After you start challenge, you're going to begin your note name practice, note identification practice challenge. And it will give you 12 questions. If you get it wrong, it'll flash red and you can try again. So do this until you get to the end. So we just finished all of our questions. I just skipped ahead. So once you get to 20, it'll give you this little page that says new high score, and it'll tell you what you got. So I missed one question. It took me 1 minute and 17 seconds. Click View Report. If you are satisfied, View Report. If you want to do another challenge, go ahead and try another challenge. Then when you're done, type in your name. So I'm going to type my name in here. I'm going to click Sign Report. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link. Click Copy this link. It's already copied. Once you click on it, it's copied into your clipboard. Then you're going to come back up to your Google or to your Canvas. Click on that. You're going to click Submit Assignment. Then in your text entry box, you're just going to push right-click in it and click Paste, or push Control-V. That will give me a link, and I can go in, when you send it to me, I can click on that link and I will be able to see exactly what you got. And I hope you all do really good. I hope that you have fun learning your treble clef notes. And if you have any more questions or this didn't explain it, give me an email. Okay, you guys, good luck. Have a good day.